Hey everyone, today's project I'm going to be loading the rear tires with some windshield washer fluid. So, let's get started. Right here I have windshield washer fluid, RV antifreeze that I had kept in my deep freeze for a few days, just to see how they would hold up. -9, -10 degrees, still liquid. Check out the RV antifreeze. They were both in the same freezer for the same amount of time. Took a couple days. This one's showing -18. Now it's not very much a liquid like the other. It does move around a little, but I can't squeeze the jug like I can washer fluid. So to me, this wouldn't be a good option to have in a tractor tire when it's going to be cold. I don't want a block of ice inside the wheel. Now over at the scales, RV antifreeze, coming at 8.6. Washer fluid, 8.4. So it would be slightly better to have RV antifreeze, but I don't want something that's actually going to freeze in my tire. Now on the right side of the machine, about to fill up the tire. Let out some of the air. I've moved the camera to get a better view of the pump. You can actually see that how fast this pulls the water level down. Purge the air for a moment. 101 degrees. The pump's getting a little hot, but that's not too bad. We'll let the air out again. This green hose is the one from Harbor Freight, and it's a really crappy hose. It almost has zero flexibility. Let's see where we're at on this one. Nice. So I'll put 10.5 gallons in it, just like the other side. And that's the level I want it to be. Now, once you do have fluid inside your tires, you'll have to buy one of these dual air water filled tire gauges, or else you might mess up the other gauges that you have for your vehicles. We'll go ahead and add some air. "17 psi, that's probably good enough. Now you may have noticed that I have the 72-pound starter weight, and I've added roughly 10.5 gallons of windshield washer fluid. That's probably 88.2 pounds, rough guess. The wheel by itself is 53.6 pounds. So that brings it up to a rough total of 213.8 pounds per wheel. Well, that's all for this project. Time to put it on the road.